Gen AI isn't just about chatbots and content creation. It can actually build sophisticated applications that solve real business problems. And here's the interesting part. You don't need to know how to code to make this happen. You can simply use natural language prompts to get things started, then continue to prompt to build and refine your application. It's called vibe coding. Now, I use this application called Lovable to create a prototype. I challenged myself to create an app that uses AI to solve three challenges that many organizations struggle with: turning raw data into meaningful insights for decision making, using data to continually improve a program, and quickly producing management reports that consider all of your data. So here's my app. The dataset is fictitious. It simulates information from a financial institution's anti-money laundering and sanctions program. Now, if you work in this field, you will recognize some of the information on the screen. If you don't, it doesn't matter. It's simply data, and we're going to be interrogating it with AI. For example, with a simple prompt, I can generate risk insights from raw data. Let's take a look at how that works. Which line of business has the most alerts in backlog, and how can we mitigate this using traditional and AI solutions? Now, this is different. Typically, we go to systems to get data. In this case, we're taking AI along with us, and we're saying, go through our data, give us the answer we're looking for, but also come back with some solutions. So we know the line of business that has the most alerts in backlog, and it's come back and said, well, this is what you can do to mitigate the exposure the traditional way, but here are some AI solutions as well. Now, I can also ask the AI to optimize the program with this prompt. Where can Gen AI be used to address issues or risks observed in the dataset? So now the AI is going to go through all of your data and it's going to find issues, right? And this is changing over time. So this allows you to continually update your program, enhance your program, by allowing the AI to give you ideas, right? Some of the ideas you'll like and some you'll just decide to discard. But it will come up with a list of ideas for you, and perhaps some that you never even contemplated. Now, lastly, we can generate management reports. And I'm going to have to give a little bit of context around this one, because the way that I've designed this app is that whenever the AI detects that someone is looking for a management report, it will ask you to select a report profile. Now, what the report profile is a set of instructions that you put in to say how you want your management reports generated. You can say what you want included, what you want excluded, how you want it to be structured, etc. The AI first reviews your instructions, then it goes through all of your data and generates a report that meets your criteria. If you don't like the way the report comes out, you can go back into the report profile, make some adjustments, and run the report again. The idea is not necessarily to give you a finished product. It's to bring the first draft close enough so that you can go in and do the fine-tuning and produce the final product. Now, from looking at this, I can tell that the report was generated consistently with the instructions that I provided. So there you have it. We've taken a look at just one example, but it shows how Gen AI goes beyond simply making tasks more efficient. It enables capabilities that were not previously possible. This is an important factor when we're measuring the value of Gen AI. Now, the real focus here is not this slick prototype that I have demoed for you. It's that vibe coding. It allows anyone to produce their own prototype and say, I'm looking for a solution that looks like this. You can take it to an internal or an external solutions provider to build that solution out for you. Now, I'd like to leave you with a question. If you could build an application just by describing it, what would you build?